What's the matter?
I just lost my chocolate phone.
Why?
I didn't do it right. I meant to go like this to the potatoes. And then I got off over them. I took it out too early and it came out. My potato! It came purple.
Oh my God!
How do you feel about the purple potato?
Well, I feel that someone evil tricked me and put a different seed in, like beetroot or plum or something like that.
So what are you
Tomorrow I'm going to catch them on TV. Oh, you see. You see. I'm just going to pick some oranges off my plant. 5 hours later. Look what I got! 8 consumers! Oh, I'm going to have good supper tonight. Gonna get this juice and put it in my soup. Or I'll just go for milk. Or Fairy Liquid, should I say. I brought some Fairy Liquid. That cost me a fortune. Did you know that? I'm just going to go and buy an iPhone 4S or something like that. What did you do with it? Does that make soup? I'll just put my orange juice on it. My Fairy Liquid on it. Let's see what it does now. Right. Why isn't it working? It's working. Where's the juice? I wasted all my juice on that. Go back to the shop. You sold this and said this was a soup maker. No, I didn't. I said it was a fun